So this is the final
right,
part 5 to this little mini car show
Big round of applause,
that I want to share with you guys.
Phil.
And that's it.
Great guy, great guy. Number 231-0559. 231-0559.
Over here is a little Mustang squad. We got like 4 or 5 Mustangs over here. Yeah, 5. The Mustang squad.
Okay, second number.
And over here we got some more cars.
0535.
Some classics.
231-0535.
Yeah, it was pretty pretty nice. It was late earlier. They had all kinds of music and food and everything. It's like a little party. Cinco de Mayo.